Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure the phone is current and permissions are allowed. Update iOS and the apps that support Dynamic Island so they expose live activities. Once done, open settings and enable live activities and notifications for the apps you plan to use. Make sure background app refresh is on. Then launch a compatible app, a timer, music, maps, or a delivery tracker to generate the first Dynamic Island event. This kicks off the live area so you can interact with it immediately. You'll now learn how to manipulate the island and tailor it. Tap the island to jump to the app. Press and hold to expand into full controls like play/pause, route steps, or order details. Swipe left or right to dismiss one event and reveal another, and drag down from the top to combine with Notification Center. For deeper control, add compatible widgets or shortcuts in Control Center so that the island updates faster. These changes keep interactions snappy and predictable. Complete your workflow by using Dynamic Island as a persistent, interactive hub while you multitask. You can keep navigation or a timer visible while using other apps. When finished, swipe to dismiss or use the app's close option to end the live activity. If the island doesn't appear, first restart your phone, confirm app updates and permissions, and toggle live activities off and back on. If problems persist, reinstall the offending app or check for iOS updates to restore
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.